Abteilung 8! Deck! Shoot! Get! Auf den Busch! Asch!
That doesn't look like a Joker's target.
Non fai la foto, Sofia?
Alles! Marsch!
Hi friends, we are now in Italy.
In Pompeii!
We're in Pompeii. Yesterday we did Rome, and currently we are walking around the Pompeii ruins, known for a city that was destroyed through the Vesuvius volcano back in the day. So we'll walk you through that a little.
Yesterday in Rome we got to see the Colosseum, and we walked through the Vatican. Saw St. Peter's Basilica and all the beautiful artwork in there. Drove around the Trevi Fountain and the Colosseum at night, which was beautiful. And enjoyed a gorgeous dinner on the mountainside overlooking Rome. Really cute restaurant with seafood, and sat outside and had dinner with our families, which was super fun. And today we're hiking around Pompeii, and we're about to continue our trek down south towards Bari.
We'll do a little drive through the mountains of the Amalfi Coast, looking over the Mediterranean Sea and the island of Capri, and hope to keep you up to date. So far we're enjoying our touristy selves, and thank you for watching.
Ciao!
The fruit of our existence is, what is it? What is it? The fruit of our existence?